Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your channel art in Canva, aka your YouTube banner. So we are going to be using Canva for this, and let's start by adding some text. By the way, if you want to use this template here, you can find it linked in the description, 100% free as well. So the text for this will be make better thumbnails. I'll just be designing my banner for this. So this will be the bold headline. And then if I hold down the Option button on the keyboard and drag that down, you can see that it duplicates it. To grow your YouTube channel fast. And then lastly, subscribe for weekly masterclasses. So if you're wondering how I came up with this text here, I actually have a full 45-minute video where it's completely free, where I go through all about how to write good text for your YouTube banner and the design principles that you need to understand. The YouTube video is linked in the description. It's 45 minutes long, and I go into so much detail about this stuff because honestly, understanding the psychology is crucial. If you are using these templates that are in Canva here, you're not going to get subscribers. Your goal is to convert people that land on your YouTube channel and convert them to subscribers. And there is a formula that works for any single niche. Again, it's linked in the description, and it will be the video that comes up at the end. So we're going to have make better thumbnails. That's going to be the very large text here. And honestly, I quite like Canva Sans. I could obviously change this font here. There's a lot to choose from. I wonder if they have Inter. They do have Inter. So I'll use that instead because that is the font that I use on all my thumbnails. It's quite important to keep everything cohesive so someone sees your channel art and then they see your thumbnails and everything looks matching and just cohesive. So make better thumbnails. This will be the large text. And then what I'm going to do here is drag this down so it's slightly smaller to grow your YouTube channel fast. And I'm going to make this here even smaller. Now what I have to do is make sure that everything fits inside of this box here. It's a bit weird, but basically with YouTube banners, this bit here is for the TV. This here is for the TV. Then you have this bit here, which is for the laptop. And again, you have this bit here on this side for the laptop. And your goal is to get everything you can into this bit here. So it's quite a small bit, but everything has to fit in there. That is what's going to show on the mobile. But this bit here is also going to be the bit that shows on laptop, mobile, and TV. So if you're putting stuff up here and you're putting stuff here to the side, that is not going to be seen by the majority of people who are on mobile. If you're doing really, really long form videos and majority of your viewers on TV, then maybe you want to put some more effort into making the top bit here look nice. But the majority of your efforts should be going into making this center bit here because that's what everyone guaranteed is going to see no matter what device they're on. So I'll have make better thumbnails, and then I'm going to move this here to the side. Now what I want to do is have me in the banner. The reason we're doing that is because people subscribe for people. People want to watch people. You do not want to have your logo here. The mistake that I see so many accounts doing is putting their logo here. People aren't subscribing because they like your logo. If you're a giant company, a McDonald's or a Red Bull, or maybe if you have a YouTube channel with, let's say, 5 presenters or something, then yes, you might want to have the logo. But if you have under 3 presenters or it's just you in the channel and you're showing your face, then yes, you'll want to have you here in your YouTube banner. Now, a little secret, you do not need to do professional photo shoots. What I do is actually just use Photo Booth for my thumbnails right now. And I'll just pick one of these. I think we'll just go with this one. And I'll drag it here. Now, if you want to use this as a background, if you're paying for Canva, you can simply click on the background remover. However, I'm not paying for a Canva Pro account. Honestly, I'm a Photoshop user. I'm just doing this for the people who don't use Photoshop, in which case I recommend using this website here, Remove Background, which is 100% free. And you can just upload the image. And as you can see, it does a pretty good job. So I'll just click on download here and then go back to Canva and simply drag and drop this in. Here it is. So obviously it's not the highest resolution, but since we only need it about this small here, it's not too big of a problem. So now the next thing that I want to do here is add something to the background. And what you want to do for your background, don't just start adding random elements like most people do. You want to have something in the background that actually reflects your videos. So if you're a tech channel, then you're probably going to want to have some tech in the background so people quickly understand, hey, this is a tech channel. Or if you do hiking vlogs where you're hiking up mountains and stuff, then you'll probably want mountains in the background here. So for my videos, I do masterclasses. That is like my whole thing on this channel. So I will just get a screenshot here of Canva Draw and drag that like this and make sure that it fits in. And then I'll right click, layer, and send to back. So now it is in the background here. All right, so we have make better thumbnails to grow your YouTube channel fast. And now the last thing that I want to do here is just make sure some of this stuff aligns a bit better. So I'll just move this here to the side like that. And then what I do in my videos is a lot of drawing on screen and stuff. So I think I want to reflect that. So I'll click on draw here and use the red and draw under subscribe like that. And what I'll do here is also change to grow your YouTube channel fast. I'm going to change that to red as well. So I'll just do that. There we go. That looks a lot better. Now, as you can see, all of this here flows quite well. It's really easy to read. That's to do with hierarchy. If everything is bold and you're trying to make everything stand out, then nothing will stand out. So you really want to ensure that you have one sentence here, ideally as short as possible, to be the thing that stands out. And that will hopefully be your value proposition or the thing that makes you different. Again, I go into a lot of detail about this in my free 45-minute YouTube masterclass all about banner design psychology. But here we have our final product. Now, before you upload, what you want to do is ensure you delete the grid here. So I'll select that and click on delete. And then this here is your finalized banner. So now what you'll do is click on file and click on download. Okay, so now to upload the design, what you're going to do is open up your channel, make sure you're logged into your account, obviously. This here is my current banner, and it just doesn't reflect my actual videos. So that's why we redesigned it. And what you'll do is just hover over here, and as you can see, it says edit. So we'll click on that. And then here where it says banner image, we will simply click on change and upload the new one. I hope you found this useful. Click on this video here to see the full masterclass on what to actually write in your banner, because it is super important for the conversion of people that land on your channel to actually subscribing. Thanks for watching. And again, click on this video here.